The markets turned cautious ahead of the crucial RBI and FOMC meet on Wednesday, and the Nifty manages to end the day above 6,150 levels. Now, the IT stocks support while the broader markets were the ones which outperformed. For a detailed market check, Aisha Faridi is joining us from the research desk. Aisha.
Well, while the markets did close at the lowest point on the day, but then again, that's just 20-odd points from the top of the day. For the better part of today's trade, we were just lumbering around the 61.70 mark. Flat as flat can be. Even the volumes, both in the cash as well as the futures and options side, were fairly lackluster. Clearly a telltale sign as to how market players don't really want to take big calls or positions in the market ahead of the two big events. That's the Fed as well as the RBI policy as well. So there we were around the 61.50 mark at closing bell. IT perhaps was the only saving grace in trade today, and standalone you'd have to say it was single-handedly Infy which really supported the markets today, as well as the Sensex IT index, which shot up about almost 1.5%, in excess of that actually. 2.25% move, a 3-year high for Infy. You also had gainers in the likes of TCS, HCL Technologies as well as Wipro. Metals didn't really hold up that well today, so JSPL being one such case in point, and defenses as well saw some profit taking. So M&M, Sun Pharma, Bharti, Ambuja, Asian Paints, Hindalco, Ultratech Cement as well as Unilever and ITC were the ones which were the draggers, and Reliance as well dragged the market a fair bit in today's trading session. Lots of individual stocks and more so news-related stories. So you had the likes of Aurobindo Pharma, which shot up very well in trade, as was the case with some other names. The likes of SpiceJet perked up pretty smartly in trade. And of course, the other gainers in trade included the likes of Apollo as well as MRF, which have been holding out from the tire space. Tata Elxsi as well was one such case in point. Power Grid, Coal India, Tata Power as well as Axis and Sesa Sterlite, again a newsmaker. That was the one which was holding out in trade. So we've left it off on a pretty iffy note. Let's see whether or not tomorrow the market takes any direction or not. We'll catch you again on Trading Call.